Welcome to the world of Google AI courses, where curiosity meets innovation and learning knows no bounds. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey through three groundbreaking courses designed to introduce beginners to the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence. Our first stop is the Generative AI course, where creativity converges with technology to push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're an aspiring artist, musician, or writer, this course will empower you to harness the power of AI to generate innovative and inspiring content. Generative AI is all about exploring the infinite possibilities of creativity through machine learning algorithms. In this course, you'll learn how to train models to generate anything from abstract art to realistic landscapes, opening doors to endless creative potential. Next up, we dive into the world of language with the Large Language Models course, where words become the building blocks of intelligence. Whether you're passionate about linguistics, communication, or simply intrigued by the power of words, this course will equip you with the skills to leverage AI for language understanding and generation. Language is the essence of human communication, and with large language models, we can unlock deeper insights and create more natural interactions between humans and machines. In this course, you'll learn how to train models to understand and generate text, revolutionizing the way we communicate in the digital age. Last, but certainly not least, we explore the realm of visual storytelling with the Image Generation course, where pixels come to life through the magic of AI. Whether you're a photographer, designer, or simply captivated by the beauty of visuals, this course will empower you to unleash your imagination and create stunning visuals with the help of AI. Images have the power to evoke emotions, tell stories, and inspire change. With image generation techniques, we can push the boundaries of visual creativity and transform ideas into reality. In this course, you'll learn how to train models to generate images, opening new possibilities for artistic expression and innovation. So, are you ready to embark on your AI journey? Enroll in the Google AI courses today and unlock the power of innovation at your fingertips. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and writing. Until next time, happy and keep learning.